Congratulations, sir.
Thank you. Tulay.
Atau yang dia, you sign. You sign. Ralang. Pas sini.
Can you speak in Hindi?
Kun mau ha, ngim dai ban komunulai sekali. Pinong khasi ukaru jantia. Kam tam na kaliang jungi ka khasi jantia. Ka mandi jung pajba ulong divided. Habawat ka BPP ka taksuan menin lu. Iyo ikasi. Te kumno pin expect ikata lem na. Ni klan ni yo asit babun. Kamu hantar ke cikirmen. Tele tanya obi. Dia kena justru benang babu yalam ukaru khasi jantia. Hanga ngap ngej ikata nomor ba komo pi ha ka bakari. Ini apa ki elected representative pin sa decide yano bantu cita jog ke jalan.
Rang ba. Ke plan jong NPP na wanta connect sense number 1 hatu batno pinele bani snok ti hatu bi don kam badi ban khot lang yekin
Pi nama kamdon ka agreement. Kamdon ke jika agreement jong suap ngile election bantu pengin kena AKMD. Lani ngin le da kau. Jika long ye lek pi election la ka jong. Henry mata kelas kita mendon option hab ya ke election. Dari nak umangkan mana dia kata option penduk Shillong meeting nama Rusia yang buat hai mata pun kita kemit untuk Shillong. Ingin dia Shillong mili nak kalian parti then only kok lasanya you will be able to know kaya ke bagi plan. No, in the battlefield you have to apply all methodology. So they may use this bullet, that bullet. Even ourselves we have to use that. But now the battle, you see, the battle is over. We won, at least we are the second largest from the NPP side. So ultimately we need to focus ourselves in the formation of the new government led by the NPP.
What do you want to say about the NPP seats? Right now there's...
Well, in fact, I'm little disappointed because we expected we will be able to cross at least the halfway mark, but we could not. However, still, I thank the voters of the state. They still have faith in us, and we ensure from now on that the government again will perform better, will work harder to make sure that the aspiration of people is met as expected.
Will NPP gonna make alliance with BJP again?
For that, see, because we don't have any agreement for coalition, but right now we have to go for coalition. So I will not tell you which party is coming in with us, because we are meeting tonight. We'll sit down tonight, and then even the Honorable Chief Minister from Assam is rushing to Shillong. So tonight we'll have a meeting, and then you will be known maybe by tomorrow morning.
Where this meeting will gonna happen?
Sorry?
Where this meeting will gonna happen?
That I will not tell you.
Okay.
I will tell you only when we take a decision.
de kawan hadin ibabun kijingken tho kaba kiong ba ka NPP hakani ka kanti mita kan poi tang hapo ka arpho te hapai ndrei menta ka kala long khompong naki ki daw kaba yu bo pajba udang ayong sisisien ya ka NPP ba pinang yo yang had palat pat bani kai ba pio akani ka election ka bladap
pi katu ka allocation ko mo pi de tangki leaders ke bekre then like grassroots kim tiblet amal ultimately ba pinjob election ndade ek party ka we ki pe ka e ka government ka perform hapo ka NPP led government and number 2 ki individual candidate dari ki candidate ki ba trai sitom ki ba trai ba amar menta wat district nya meli pun bah ka jadi ki kalong ngatrai amla banong let's say kadon ka antin kompleks lani kala banong ba kim perform ya ka e ka ba kila promise ban garap lani ba trai kam dalam tak ka konstitusi
kai ka thong jong ka NPP na shikma umar bangi iba minta kintiru hang inumla kon koi ka party kan thaw ka sarkar
thong jo ki number 1 ni kalong kan ni kwa ya ka tu ka manifesto bagi labu kum ka party ban number 2 in sashim na ka manifesto jo ki coalition kai ke baki don ki ni incorporate la kanang ba namar ki ka manifesto ki mores kalong su ko kum ko jongi they ultimately gini ya kata package kem ba ka sarkar mai kan lo government ka scam kaman yang sansnen baru ka bagi ya ki ka ki batang sa kum ka ILT kum ka language ka Khasi Garut language nang ta susu kita motor boundary issue kita kita
Kung may